Uh-oh. Wow, that's embarrassing.
So we're headed to look at a limousine.
Yeah, we're going to a 1975 Cadillac DeVille stretch limo.
One-stop shop.
Right? If limo doesn't work, then we can search for something else.
I'll let you get a head start, then
Okay.
I'll come out. What do you got?
I'm gonna go look at it. Oh, door opens. Just got a couple mouse turds. Pretty normal. It's got a partition like wall with an electric maybe window that goes up and down. Definitely solid. I don't see that it's rusty at all. Sometimes there's a trick, you know, you gotta pump the gas twice and then turn the key, or I don't know. It's kind of frozen with all the snow there. I mean, this is a pretty solid candidate. I assume it runs fine.
This thing is like in really nice condition.
From what I've been told, it was purchased brand new by the Groveton Paper Mill. Mr. Weems was the owner of the mill at the time. He had an airplane hangar which was about 1.5 miles from the mill, and he would pick up clients at the airport, take them into the mill and show them their products, bring them back to the airport. They made 932 of these limos. I'm the second owner of it and happy to have it, but just can't treat it the way it needs to be treated.
You think it'll rally?
I'd really like to see it rally, to be honest with you.
See, he's got a trick there. Fresh air filter. There, it'll fire it up after we do this. It runs really good. Little baby engine. There it goes. Amazing. But yeah, we want to talk about taking the Cadillac.
Okay.
Do a little dickering with you.
All right.
I mean, what do you need for it? What are you hoping to get?
Well, I was asking 7,500.
Yes, sir. I mean, would you take 5?
I wouldn't do that. I honestly do have those two guys, and
Yeah.
where I'm at with them is 65.
Okay.
I would do that. I told them it's first come, first serve.
Okay.
I would do 65. And I'd like a fat kid Team O'Neill sweatshirt.
Yeah. All right. Sounds like a deal.
All right.
Let's make it happen.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh my goodness. I wonder what this, like, look at the bottom of the mirror there. There's like
thermometer.
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 There's seat belts.
All right.
They come out of the roof. The seat belt comes out of the roof panel. Non-adjustable seat. It's part of the partition wall, so
tight there.
so it is what it is. Yep. We got a little bit of work to do here, but here we go to the gas station. Sticky gas pedal a little bit, but oh my! Here we go on the road. Holy smokes! Nowhere to put your gas cap, I guess. You use that as a prop. How big a tank do you think it is?
20 gallons?
I mean, if you're touring people around in your limousine from 1975, you don't really want to stop for gas. I think you got to just keep going, right? So I'd probably put a tank on this thing. Plus, does it get 10 miles a gallon? 12? 8? It's just a big block. I think it's a quarter tank now. It's going to take 26 gallons to fill it the rest of the way. That's my guess. Look at these like rubber bumpers. You can back it right up against something and you get 4 or 5 people to just bounce on the back. Boing, boing, boing. Oh, you just about missed it.
But it had a quarter of a tank in it.
Yeah, quarter tank. So it could be this 26 gallons. I mean, I don't know. Sorry, I'd like a large hot black, please. Think you got any cup holders in this thing? I don't think the chauffeur is supposed to be drinking and driving.
368.
No comments. Probably no comments because the people at Dunkin' see the weirdest stuff go through the drive-thru. All right, here we go. She's kind of like a floaty old boat. You don't feel a thing. There's not a lot of feedback through the steering or anything for that matter. It's gonna be hard to slide this thing sideways if I got a coffee in my hand. Here we go, we're on the snow. For having a big block, there's not a lot of power. This thing could be the first car that Wyatt's like, you know, you could rally it, but why would you? Here's the turn I was worried about, I think. This thing is dog shit slow. Uh-oh! I'm gonna have to put the coffee down for a minute here. Well, I guess this time, this is really Austin Powers. That's not reverse, that's neutral. All right, let's try this one last time. There we go, we're in money. All right, back to the coffee, I guess. When the traffic is clear, we'll turn in, give her a little boot. Oh boy, here we go again. Oh, crunch, we're already hitting snowbanks. Will it rally? Here we come. All right, Wyatt, good luck.
It's a Caddy. It's a Cadillac Fleetwood. All right.